everyone. Today I am making cherry coconut cookies. I need softened butter, so I'm putting the butter in the toaster oven at 110 degrees for 10 minutes. Next, I chop up the cherries and just cut around the seeds. I need about half a cup of cherries, but I use a little more in this recipe. Half a cup of butter is softened, so I pour it into a bowl with 1 cup of brown sugar. Mix it until it is all creamy. Then I add the egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of oat milk. Then I blend it all together. I add a half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of almond flour. And then fold everything together. I used a little less than 2 cups of almond flour, which was a mistake, and we'll make sure I write that in the recipe. Now I'm adding a half cup plus a little more of chopped cherry, a half cup of coconut flakes. Then I folded the ingredients into the batter, and I used an ice cream scoop to ball out the cookies. I put the cookies in a 375 degree Fahrenheit oven for about 12 minutes. The recipe says 10 to 12 minutes. And this is how they came out. Pretty flat. The next batch I put in more almond flour and they came out better. Hello everyone, hope you enjoyed the show. These cherry coconut cookies are interesting. So my first batch came out totally flat. I don't know why. Well, actually the batter was a little creamy and I was like, this is a really creamy batter. I wonder how it's gonna come out. But they are fucking good. They have such a good flavor and the crispy edges are to die for. I put them in the oven for a little bit longer because the middle was still a little ooey gooey and the edges are so crispy and yummy. I wanted to see if I could get the whole cookie to be crispy and yummy, and it worked a little bit. Not great, but the flavor of these cookies, they're so good. So the second batch I added a bunch more almond flour, so they're more of a sticky dough consistency, not like a fluffy dough consistency, and these came out to look a bit more like cookies, and I made sure they were brown all over. So let's try one. These were the best looking ones. Who knew? I'm not even like the biggest cherry fan. I like cherries every once in a while. These are really good. I mean, there's really just a hint of cherry flavor. So anyway, really good, delicious. Give this recipe a try, and please let me know what you think. I need an unbiased opinion, someone who's not me, because I think they're really good. So, I don't know. Austin will be home at 5 and then he'll give me his honest opinion. Hope you have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Buy one of these shirts. They're for sale. Bye-bye.